911 sandwich. You cannot make number 2? Your stomach is full and hurts? Don't worry, in our magic sandwich lab we created a 911 for you. Our special sandwich with sour cream, pickles and prunes. Just eat 1 or 2 and be ready to run back to the toilet. And don't forget toilet paper. A lot of toilet paper. $911 sandwich. Ingredients: sour cream crackers, sour cream, pickles, pear, prunes. Recipe: take sour cream crackers. Spread each slice with sour cream. Slice the pickled cucumber thinly. Three slices per cracker, and carefully arrange them. The magnificent combination of sour cream and pickles is complemented by a fresh pear. Slice the pears into slices and place them on top, one at a time, pressing lightly. And finally, the magic prunes, of course, 1 per sandwich. Good luck! And once again, remember about toilet paper.